Hi guys, Purple Forex Trader here. Um, so the first week of Jan hasn't went very good. I'm down 8.8%. That's quite a lot. The big reason mostly is I lost a couple of big shadows, and I also had shorter term opportunities like 1 hours and 4 hours I was trying out, and they just didn't pay off, especially. I was long a lot of USD pairs, or not a lot, but I mean like three or whatever. Um, they were all looking good, all in the money, and then the US dollar obviously just fell for some other reason. Um, so I lost them. Biggest mistake I did there was go against my rules of swing trading. So after a little bit of an emotional rant, I guess I just decided I'm going to stop big shadow trading. Um, the reason why I also want to stop the big shadow is you have to be at the charts a lot because you have to follow every single 4 hour candle, and yeah, it gets a bit much, especially with a job and all that, and trying to learn. It's mostly it goes up and down because those candles are small. Um, so it hasn't been a good week, but it's made me realize that I must stop being greedy, stop looking for those quick, easy monies, and focus on my trades that win. And that brought me back from being down in 2016. You can have a look here. It's in mid-November. I started those nice swing trades, and they just started paying off amazingly. Um, so yeah, shit month, but we'll get through it. Well, shit week, I guess. Months on. Got a couple of trades open, all of which are long-term trades. As you'll see in the money, um, the majority, some are good. We can go through them quickly. Just have a look here. There we go. No. This would be the first one. Now this is a super long-term trade. It's something new as I'm testing. Um, Huge risk reward. 1 to 6.76. Found a good zone I wanted to buy it at, and I did feel that it's going to break out of the wedge. Started to make a higher high. I think that will be the low, so I'm catching it at the low. I'm taking it all the way up. I'll monitor this. This can take months, maybe even a bloody year. I don't even know. So I'll see how it goes. If I'm, made 2, 3 um, reward, then maybe I'll just cut it short later on, depending also on how big the swap starts getting. Um, okay, so that's the first one. In the just out of the money. No, I'm just in the money on that. Or in New Zealand. Okay, this is not that long term. Okay, so I bought it here. As you'll see, I've got a huge stop. I missed the initial move, which was there. So I bought it way up here, which isn't the best thing. But I moved my stop down. My initial thought was it can move all the way up, roughly something like that. Maybe reverses over here. And being in a wedge, I did feel that a downward wedge is going to break up. So I thought, well, rather late and right, I hope, than early and wrong. So I took the trade. I made a wide stop and just made it 2-1 just to get in and out. So let's see how that pays off. Euro GBP, this I bought long ago already. You guys saw that. Well in the money, just letting it run all the way. Let it run its course. Euro CHF. Also bought because of the wedge mostly trend line. I think it was making higher highs, higher lows on the weekly. Yeah, I do still feel this will break out to the top side. New Zealand JPY. Let's have a look here. This one's been coming on quite long. It's going for a month already and it's just hardly moved. My entry price though is still very good. I just got it basically at the reversal. So I'm sure somewhere along the line it's gonna start falling pretty sharp. GBP CHF, this is a weekly chart. It's looking very good. This has been coming on quite a while. Got this at a very good price as well. I'm thinking of if it does break, it's obviously broken through. If it retests this zone, gives me just a little test and like a little doji over here with a test or a little like inverted hammer or something, then I'll maybe enter once again, make that a double trade, go all the way down. Yeah, and that's it for now. The trades I'm looking at this week, Euro Ori. I'm waiting for a reversal inside my zone, then I'm gonna put it. Got the trend line, got the support resistance line, so I feel that's a decent zone. US dollar Canadian. This is the one trade I lost. This was like a perfect textbook, 61.8, strong zone. The only thing that I didn't wait for was a reversal good enough. There was a reversal on the 8-4, no reversal on the daily, and bam, I lost. So, so just ideas I had here. But I'm more still aiming for something like roughly like that. Do just feel it's gonna go higher. Okay, US dollar CHF. So far showing good resistance over here. So waiting for it to come up. Might come up, test, and then start a small downtrend, I feel. I can just put that over there. So if it does spike up high, I can maybe just like sell it over there and then take it out. Let's see. New Zealand USD. It's also falling quite a bit now. Lower. So why are you buying? Well, once again, wedge, trend line, and higher time frame saying higher highs, higher lows. So I'm going against the trend per se over here. So I hope it falls down, gives me a nice reversal around here. That would be good. Something like that. GBP USD. I broke right through that zone again. I'm waiting for it to retest. Come back, retest closer to this trend line, I hope. And when it does that, we'll just sell it. Euro CAD. Same thing, wedge, trend line, waiting for it to come, support line. Was a bit of a resistance also. Wait for it to test around here, give me a nice reversal, and I'm taking this bad boy up. UJ, so good zone up there. Missed it though, already sort of entered around here. But it's still going up, so if it gives me a reversal, but a decent one, I guess on the daily I'll wait because it's so bullish. I'll sell it. It's probably all gonna break through, or it's gonna reverse and just like fall down. I think that's just my take, my guess. I missed the Audi CHF. I saw that one, was waiting for a better reversal, and then boom, this baby just shot up all the way. But I'll just keep the idea still, yeah. Maybe I can find small opportunities within. Audi CAD, zone, trend line. So Let's see where. If it reverses inside the zone, I'll take it. Otherwise, I'll test here and you can maybe buy it like there, whatever. The zone is a better place in my opinion, but hopefully it reverses like much closer to the trend line. Because that's been costing me a lot. Like I'll enter here and then it will go down all the way, touch as I thought, reverse and go back up. So, and that's it. That's all I have for you guys for this week. So I'll just be watching these pairs. If I find the opportunity, I'll put it on TradingView. You can follow me here. Stephen19114, where I post all my ideas. And there's my Twitter handle and my Facebook page. Good luck, happy trading, and hopefully this week's a better week. That the month can look a little bit more positive. Alright, cheers.